Well, Sherry, Judge Gregory Reed is calling this a preliminary ruling of competence. And while he's going to give the defense and the prosecution 2 more weeks each to file additional arguments, he wants to bring this issue to bear forthwith, in his words, to hopefully give the victim's family hope that the justice they've been waiting 6+ years for is nearing an end. Jacob Doyle slowly marched out of the courtroom after a judge ruled he could stand trial for the deaths of Kenny and Dot Sims. Prosecutors say Doyle was drunk when he hit the couple head-on 2 weeks before Christmas 2017.
He was driving the car. He was under the influence. He killed 2 people. That should be enough.
Kimberly Cooper, the couple's daughter, has grown frustrated waiting 6+ years for accountability. Since 2019, the case is focused on whether Doyle is mentally stable enough to stand trial.
It's just waiting on competency. We're looking at over 6 years now. We've had many hearings set, always multiple delays.
We're very sorry for that, but we've continued to fight for them, and we will continue to fight for them until we see some resolution in this case.
Doyle's attorney has argued his client is not competent. In fact, a defense expert found him incompetent 3 years ago. But after undergoing additional inpatient observation, the state recently concluded there was no evidence he should not face a jury. During today's hearing, defense attorney Brett Bloomston argued we should not rely on one of 3 tests that determine him to be competent, when the other 2 did not. But Judge Gregory Reed has decided to rely on the state's recent report, delivering a preliminary ruling Doyle is competent enough to face justice for the death of Cooper's parents.
As far as the court is concerned, he is deemed competent and they're moving forward towards trial. So that's a positive for us. That's a win. We'll take it.
The judge is giving the defense 2 weeks to file objections before making his final decision by June. Now, Jacob Doyle is facing 2 counts of reckless murder, which is a Class A felony in Alabama. And if convicted, DA Pamela Casey says he faces up to life in prison for the deaths of Kenny and Dot Sims. Live in Aniana, John Papke, WVTM 13.